have our M965 Hayden Tote. Your monogram will go here on the front of the bag. Slide the tote onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame. Pull the outside edge of the bag all the way up on the frame. Use a ruler to ensure that the bag is centered. Use our custom centering jigs to find the center, which will be the center of the jig. Trace the sewing area to ensure monogram fits inside of the frame. Place a sheet of solvay on the tote and you can now begin sewing. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability and tears away easily, and it leaves a clean finish. All of the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. When your sew is complete, remove the product from the frame and the solvay. There you have a finished product. Click the link in the description below to view the items used in this video.